Hi, I'm Katalin, the creator of Creative English in Hungary. Now I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. Today I'm going to show you how to make ornaments to the top of the Christmas tree. And then you place it around the roll. Okay. Probably two will stick on only. They are too big. But maybe you can stick on the third one as well, but if not, then just don't worry about it. Okay, just like that. And let's try the third one. Actually, all of them have stuck on. Okay, then you have the decoration like that.